Dear friends, hi! My name's Miloslava. Since my childhood, I've been doing rhythmic gymnastics and dancing. Now I'm 36, I'm married, and I've got 4 children. I go on dancing and teaching it. In such moments, I feel happy and joyful. To my own surprise, I also started sewing several years ago. Sewing without patterns or rules. At my workshop, women sew dresses within 2 hours. They learn by their own experience that sewing can be easy. You can also master this method watching my video course. You'd better use cotton for your first dress, as you can easily tear this fabric to get the parts of your dress. Bodice, sleeves and skirts are all rectangular. You can make raglan sleeve at one cut. Rectangular skirt is pleated and attached to the bodice. That's all. It's really easy. You can use various belts and accessories. Experiment with dress length and trimmings. From the video course, you will also learn how to trim neckline, make cuffs and a comfortable belt, making your dresses from various fabrics, changing the dress lengths, and other details. You'll get different clothes for all occasions. Buy my video course and join the world of beauty, creation and harmony.